Class 10 plus 1 or today topic is subset. Subset, the set A set to be the subset of a B if every element of A is also the element of a B. For example, A के अंदर एलिमेंट है 1 2 और B सेट के अंदर एलिमेंट है 1 2 3 4. एवरी एलिमेंट ऑफ A बिलोंग टू B. A के सभी एलिमेंट यदि B के अंदर बिलोंग करते हैं तो देन वी सी दैट A इज द सबसेट ऑफ B. दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ सबसेट. Subset. Sometimes this will be written as subset by this. This is the also the symbol of a subset. But we use this symbol is the subset. So now every element of A is belong to B. Then it is say that subset A is the subset of a B. If B element belong to A, then it 1 2 3 4 belong to this. This is also that B is the subset of A. But here the element of 3 4 not belong to this. Then this is not the subset of a B. Now symbol of not subset. Not subset means this symbol cancel to this. So then we say that it is not the subset. Now few conditions of a subset. Now we have find the subset of any set. So first condition, every set is the subset of itself. This is the first condition. प्रत्येक सेट अपने आप का सबसेट होता है. सेकंड कंडीशंस, फाइव इज द या empty set is the subset of every set. These are two conditions of a subset. Now we have find the subset of any set. Then 2 की power number of element. This is the method of to find the number of subset of any set. Like this, we have find the number of subset of A. 2 की power, here the number of element 2. It means 2 की power 2 means 2 multiply 2 times we get 4. Here the 4 subset of these set. Now we write this subset of this A. Subset of 1 2. Write with the set of these. First of them we write this 5. Yeah, empty is the first subset. Then we write 1 different 2 and this 1 2 subset itself. These are the 4 set of these 1 2 3 4. These are the number of subset of these topic. Now we discuss another operation of like this. After subset we discuss the proper subset. Proper subset. Like this subset, all element of A. A is the set of 1 2. B is the subset of 1 2 3 4. These all element are like this. Now we take another element 3. So now 1 2 3 belong to this. So then this is the subset of a B. Now proper subset, in proper subset the element of B, at least one element of B which not belong to A. Here the element of 4 not belong to or not belong to A. So then it is the proper subset of A. B is the proper subset of A. कम से कम एक एलिमेंट ऐसा होना चाहिए जो इसके अंदर बिलोंग नहीं करेगा. इसको हम बोलते हैं proper subset. After this, power set. The collection of all subset. This is the collection of all subset into a set is called power set. For example, we have these subset 5 1 2 and 1 2. It is the collection of these subset is set to a power set. This is the powers of a set. Next, universal set. universal set. The collection of all set subset is called when all the set under the construction of subset of a large set is called universal set. This is denoted by U, and U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the universal set. For example, this is the largest set of all a set. This is said that universal of a set. Now, last topic is interval. There are 4 types of intervals. First of them, open interval. In open interval, this is your lines, this is point A, this is B. In open interval, we take these values between these. For example, open interval will be written as A, B like this. This is small bracket. This is, for example, 1 to 6. 1 to 6 means this including value is set is 2, 3, 4, 5. Not including 1, not including 6. Between these value. This is open interval. Second, close interval. In close interval, we including A and B. Both A and B value including. Like this. This is the 1 to 6. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the set of a closed interval. In this interval A भी शामिल है, B भी शामिल और उनके बीच की वैल्यू भी शामिल है, जबकि ओपन इंटरवल के अंदर केवल बीच की वैल्यू शामिल की जाती है. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज सेमी ओपन. सेमी ओपन इंटरवल. Third type of a interval, semi, आधा खुला. This is say that semi-open interval in which intervals A not including, B including. That this is the A and a B. This said that semi-open interval like this 1 to 6. It means not including 1 between these value and a 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And like this semi-closed interval. In semi-closed interval we including 1 not a 6. These including 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the set of these interval. Now we discuss exercise 1.2. Few questions. First question from this exercise, we say that examine whether the following are the set true or false. First part of this A, B, C is the subset of C, B, A. Here the all element of set first belong to these. A belong to these, B and C. So then it is the subset of this set. This is a true. And next part is 1, 2. Note the subset of 2, 3, 1. This is say that 1, 2 belong to this set, but he say that not belong to, then this is statement is false statement. 1, 2 belong to this set, but he say that it is not the set. And next A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. This is your set. This is the subset of A, B, C and D. Here we say that A belong to this, E, I, O, U not belong to this. Then this is also not a subset of a second set. And next fourth part are same as it is. Now questions number second say that write the number of subset if A contain these elements. Set A contains, first part, number of element is number of element equal to n element. So then write the number of subset. Here we told the number of subset of any set is 2 to power number of a element. So number of subset equal to this set equal to 2 to power n. So here the number subset of this set is 2 to power n. Second part of this, if we are given one element, then number of subset is 2 to power 1. It means 2. Next part is 2 element, then 2 element, then 2 element, then number of subset is 2 की power 2, it means 2 cross 2 we get 4, and next is 3 element, it means 2 की power 3 we get 8 element in the subset of this. Now questions number